Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on a Saturday, Saturday, April the 20th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles, 2 puzzles with 3 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries with 3 stars, and 1 tectonic. Not all I will solve, only 4 of them I will solve. Let me start with this one. 3 star Sudoku, yes. This will be number 8397. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, this one is 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright? So, let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? How about 9 here? Need an 8. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places 11 and 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places 11 and 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so in that column. Only 3 places 11 and 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, no 6 there. Only place 11 and 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between the only 3 places 11 and 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. So the only place 11 and 6 should be there. 4. Okay, do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Yes, this is number 1, number 6. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places 11 and 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place 11 and 4. I should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places 11 and 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4. I should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Oh, wait. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. Okay. Alright. And now 2916. How about the number Need a 1 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the only place left with a 1 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left with a 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the 1? Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the third column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Need a 1 here. And now, 7 in the last row. 7 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 in the third column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Then, let me see. How about these 4 missing numbers in this column? One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. I hate to split those numbers in different big squares. Why? Well, the chance to make an error is slice higher here. Anyway, how about the number 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Need one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Then 5, 5. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1. Should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2 in the first column. The 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 9 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and 9, we have 8 now in the second row, no 8, in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 9 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 9, 2, 9. Ooh, well, cannot fill this yet. Here we have a pair. And now 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Still cannot fill this yet. What's happening? 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. What's happening? Then need a 4 here. Need a 2 and a 5. Well, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 1 number left in this row for number 2. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 and the 9, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 and the 9, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, we saw it again. Faster than 50 minutes. Well, it should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, you need to be faster than 30 minutes. And I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.